Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my Planners Anonymous subscription box, and this is the celebration box, which is, I believe, from July, if I'm not mistaken. I think that's July, and I just need to open the box because I haven't even opened it. So let's get into this. Okay, so this is the box, and Planners Anonymous always puts a little sticker saying who packed your order. So this one was packed by Katie. Thank you so much, Katie, for your care and consideration for my package. And you usually get the quote-unquote same items, so you always get a pen, you always get washi, you always get quote cards, and you always get papers in stickers in your subscription. But sometimes there are different things. So I'm going to start with the staples, which are the papers, and you get 6 papers on the subscription pack, on the normal one, but you can also add more papers to your subscription. So the first one is this beautiful confetti with the purple background. And one thing to keep in mind with Planners Anonymous is the fact that she will always double the papers. So if you see this one, it's the same as this one, so you get 2 of each. So this is the celebration package. So you have the beautiful confetti with the purple background. Then you have the cupcakes, and the background is pink. Then you have this beautiful table scenario, and the background is this bright orange. These colors are very much similar to the colors of the Go Wild SoCal. So because Go Wild didn't happen this year, so I think they just put this one on the works for that occasion, but Go Wild didn't happen. So you have this beautiful vellum. Oh, there's a little stain here on my vellum. That's not nice. It's like ketchup. So you have the beautiful vellum, and then you have the acetate, which is the same pattern of the confetti with foil, gold foil, and on the back is silver foil. So you can use either or. Next up, I'm going to show you the pen, which is this beautiful ballpoint pen. I usually don't use the pens because I don't like ballpoints, but it's a very nice crystal barrel, crystal inside the barrel kind of pen, and the color is the same color scheme of the Go Wild SoCal. Next, I am going to show the little quote cards. And if you want inspiration how to use your quote cards, I would suggest Best from Light Planners Action, as well as Itsy Crafty, Karen by Itsy Crafty. So this is the backing of the quote cards package, and these are the quote cards. So celebrate everything every day. They're all blank on the back. Don't forget to dance through life. Eat the cake. Cheers, ching ching. Life should be celebrated. And finally, confetti, all the things. Those are the little quote cards. And I honestly thought that I had skipped this subscription. You can skip the subscription with Planners Anonymous, which is a plus. So sometimes you don't have interest on the box, or you don't have the money for it, so you can always skip, which is a great thing. Another staple are always the girls. So back before the previous one, before the previous sub box, which was Note to Self, they were just die cuts of the girl itself, but now they are A6 size cards, and this is Maria. So celebrate the smallest moments every day. That's really, really cute. And this is the menu on what is inside this kit. The next thing that again is a staple is the beautiful stamp set. So this is the stamp set with all of the gifts, presents, celebratory kind of stamps, and they are really, really pretty. So if you're a stamp person, it's again a beautiful subscription that also has stamps. Not a lot of subscriptions have stamps lately, but these ones do. You also get staples such as the die cuts, and let me show you the die cuts. If this seems really quick, it's because my camera is about to die. So this is the card, celebrate every day, and the backing is white, and this is B6 or 8x7. 5x6 kind of a size, and you get all of these die cuts. They're absolutely beautiful. So you have a cake, you have some balloons, you have some champagne presents, you have more balloons, and you have Maria, as well as drinks, cupcakes, and all of the good things. So these are the nice amount of die cuts that you get. I love this little gift tag. It's really nice. You can make a really nice card with this die cuts, as well as the journaling card that came on the kit. So that is the pack of beautiful die cuts. So another thing that always comes are the stickers, and this is the simple stickers. You can do an add-on and get a full kit of stickers, but I just get the basics. So you have the beautiful deco page, a second deco page, then you have your days of the week, your fold over planner, and you get also a sneak peek of next time. Next time will be Woodland Wonders will be the next subscription. And this is your functional little sheet. So it's a really, really good size kit for dailies. For example, I use these on my dailies all the time, and I really enjoy them. So that is your sticker. And finally, you have another staple, which is the washi. I'm not gonna open the washi because I usually don't use the washi, and the colors are not my style, so I'm gonna de-stash these. But this is Yay and Celebrate, and you have sprinkles of gold foil all around with this confetti background. Then you have the 5mm, which is just the SoCal or the Celebrate ombre kind of design. Finally, you have the balloons and all of the party themed items on with the confetti foil in gold falling down from this scenario, and this is a 20mm if I'm not mistaken. Last but not least, and the last item of our little haul or unboxing, is this beautiful notepad, which is absolutely a favorite. I'm definitely using this on my birthday month, and it has all of these pages, and it's great to-do list or running list when you are on the go, or even when you are, to put on your desk for work. So that is my unboxing for the Planners Anonymous subscription box. The theme this month was Celebrate. I hope you enjoyed this short little quick video, and I'll see you on the next one. Stay safe, stay sane, wash your hands, and love your lottles. Bye!